I'm Josh with True Builders, an emergency services contractor serving all of Central Florida. Because we're located between Orlando and Tampa, we can be to any location within 60 minutes. We handle fire damage, water removal, and dryouts, mold remediation, leak detection, and plumbing repairs. We're also a full-service remodel contractor. One call, start to finish, we do it all. Early and accurate response times reduce severity and loss cost. We have certified technicians, in-house adjusters, and estimators, so our estimates are clean, complete, and carrier-friendly. From mitigation to rebuild, we can do it all. We've got a beautiful showroom right here in Central Florida to allow our clients to pick out all of the selections, from their countertops to their flooring, to their wall colors, all the way to their sinks and faucet fixtures. We want to be able to do it all to be able to get their home back to pre-loss conditions. If you want a vendor that's fast, accurate, and easy to work with, True Builders is built for clients.